To do this style, you're going to need one of these bungees. I think I got this at Sally's, but this is what, like, the little donut that they use to fill in for a bun. And all I did was cut the middle and then just became this long little spongy strip. It's going to give you the we're gonna form our hair around this, and it's gonna be part of our bumper bang. You're also going to need regular bobby pins and then a brush, regular paddle brush. Okay, so let's get started. What you want to do first is section out your hair, I would say 3 to 4 inches from your forehead, and bring your hair forward and start teasing. The teasing is going to give you that length underneath that foam roller, so keep teasing. Gently brush the top of your hair so you have a smooth surface. Then you take your foam roller, fold it all the way from the bottom, and then fold in, and then take your hairspray and just spray it down for good measure. The less flyaways, the better. When you have it to your liking, pin down each side with a bobby pin. You don't have to worry about pinning it so aggressively right now. We're just doing this for placement, and then we'll pin it as aggressively as you want. It'll hold a stiff wind. I like to go in with the hairspray to control those flyaways. Start with one side of your hair, take the front section, and start teasing that side. I particularly don't have a lot of hair on the sides of my forehead, so I have to go in and tease a lot more. Spray it down and then smooth out the top, and then cover the side of the foam roller so you're not going to see the edge of the foam. With my ends, I like to make them into a pin curls, about 2 of them, to kind of add texture to the top of the hair. Give it a little spritz and then on to the next side. Repeat the same steps, taking a section of the hair, teasing it, and then fold it over the side of the foam roller. It's really important for you not to show the corners of the foam. It just makes it more seamless that way. Pin it down in place and then go in and put some pin curls on the top of your hair. You could also put flowers. I have a couple of friends that like to put flowers on the top of their hair, and it looks really pretty. You could also do a ribbon. You could really make it your own. This is what it looks like on the back and then on the front. Ta-da! So you could totally be done here. I love this look for just doing a minimum retro look. It's mainly getting the front bumper bang right, and the back you could kind of just not really care how perfect the curls are. I think it looks better if the curls are kind of messy and, you know, have like big volume. I love that look. I thought I would see what it looks like with the sparkle hairnets that I made. I'm kind of obsessed with wearing them right now, and I got a big following from posting my little reel that I did wearing these hairnets on TikTok, and I got like a lot of people asking me to make them. It's really simple to make. Let's put this on. We're gonna do the same technique we did with pinning it on the top and then reaching over and put it underneath our hair. Okay, so that's the front. I think I ran out of bobby pins. Oh no. I found one. Okay. Just to hold it in place. Okay, I think I got it. We're going to reach over. I feel like we don't have to be so dainty with putting the hair in since the curls are kind of messy anyway, so let's just shove it on in there. Side. How's it look? I'm gonna trust that it looks good because I can't see. Thank you so much for watching. I know this was like a very low-key hair tutorial, but I hope you enjoyed it, and please tag me at jennydame on Instagram or on YouTube. I'd love to see if you gave it a try, and also thank you so much for all the new subscribers. I truly appreciate all the words of encouragement, and it just gives me so much motivation to just keep creating. I am working on a sewing tutorial, so that will be coming up very soon, and if you want to keep in touch with me on Instagram and TikTok, it's the same jennydame. The same name everywhere. I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.